It's supposed to go right there where that mark is. I'm using most of my gas just for starting up the car. Oh, that was a good one. We haven't got caught yet. Alright, hard braking. Okay. CD Fab makes the best products. One of the best first mods you guys can do. Fast forward 24 hours, it's on there. It's still a little flimsy, but honestly guys, it'll actually be okay. Like, I feel like it will still work. After yesterday, I just left it on for the night, and yeah, if you just move it a little, see, it's a little stiff. I just started up the car, but look at that. That is a lot. I mean, on this side, but bruh, I don't know, should I be worried about that? I'm using most of my gas just for starting up the car. Oh, that was a good one. So welcome back guys. I'm about to do some more pulls and send some downloads over. Yeah, I'll just probably just finalize the okay, we see. Should I just like catch up to him? Yeah, as I said, we're about to do some dialogues and send it back to Ryan. I think the car is kind of sorted out now. Previous video, we're hitting 23 psi, which is good. So yeah, hopefully after this revision soon we can go on E85. I'm hoping. Fingers are crossed. We have done a lot of pulls over here, but we haven't got caught yet. Okay, so hard braking. Okay. Yeah. Hey. Where's the snake? Okay, quick few things to talk about. I know I probably mentioned it a couple of videos ago, or like down the line, that the charge pipes I have right now, they weren't permanent. I've been trying to get the CV Fab charge pipes for a long time. It's just that those charge pipes are always back ordered, and it takes a lot of months to get them. Last time I ordered them was months ago, and I got an email a month later saying that they had them back ordered, and I was waiting for them for a while. And even after they were back ordered, I waited for more weeks and I still didn't get them. So I was looking over their website this week, and it seemed that they were finally in stock again. So I was like, why not just replace the ones I have right now with the CV Fab ones? Okay, so I'm only ordering the hot side intercooler charge pipes. I'm not gonna get both of them. I already have aftermarket ones for both. I'm just gonna replace the hot side one that I have, and the one I have is the SR Performance ones. They're a bit more pricey than the CV Fab ones, but CV Fab makes the best products. Their stuff is affordable and it's really good quality, and it's made in America. So I'm only ordering them now is because my car is sorted finally. So the charge pad I was talking about was this one right here. It's the hot side one. See, it's really cheap. It's like $130, and like it's more efficient for the car. Blower valve, no. I actually have something coming up. Not gonna reveal it today, but trust me on the process. Would you like a, yes, definitely a white one, and it's already added to my car, but I'll add it again. Okay, I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with the charge pipe. There's nothing wrong with it. As you guys seen a couple of videos ago, we fixed the charge pipe. We got brand new clamps as well. No boost leaks or nothing like that. But if you guys are interested in buying this hot side charge pipe, just DM me. I'll give you guys a really good deal with it. Less than $100. If you guys want it, shoot me a deal. Mind me, these charge pipes are $300 brand new, both of the pairs, and I bought them second hand from this guy for $220. And now don't really need it. This is gonna stay in the back as extra car parts. I have a lot of parts at the back. It's just that there's too many. I just don't have much space at the back anyways. And changing the charge pipes is one of the best first mods you guys can do to the EcoBoost Mustang. It doesn't void warranty or anything like that, because you can swap it over back to the OEM ones, and it's pretty easy to swap them.